Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick video on how I apply my press-on nails so that they can last 3 to 4 weeks or even longer. There's a lot of people out there who use press-on nails as a temporary nail enhancement for like an event or weekend situation. But then there's other people like me who basically use press-on nails as their main form of nail enhancement and want them to last long. I used to be the biggest press-on nail hater because I could never figure out how to keep them on. They would always pop off and I just hated them. They were so annoying. But I finally found the best method on how to apply them so that they actually last long. So spoiler alert, you're gonna need more than just nail glue. Nail glue is not gonna cut it. You're gonna actually have to do some prep work. But that is the key on how to get them long lasting. So let's get into the video and I'll show you exactly how I apply my press-on nails. So here's everything that I use to prep my natural nails and then apply my press-on nails. I have my pH bonder, which is a nail dehydrator. This is going to remove the oils from your nails. Then I have my cuticle pusher, a hand file, and of course my nail glue. This is the one that I love using from Beauty Secrets. I feel like it's the best nail glue I've ever used, to be honest. I find it at Sally Beauty for around $6, I believe, and I think it's worth it. It's a pretty decent sized container compared to most nail glues. So first thing I do is cuticle care and make sure that all the gel residue and gunk from my previous set is gone, which I have a video posted on my channel on how I remove my press-on nails and basically my cuticle care routine. I'll have that linked right up here so you guys can go watch that. But I always just make sure that my cuticles are pushed back. So I'm just gonna do one little push. And they're pretty much good to go. I'm literally just showing you like what I would be doing, you know? So after the cuticles are all taken care of, I take my hand file and I do a little bit of buffing. Now you can also obviously just use a nail buffer. I don't have one, but I just use this hand file on the 180 grit side. And I just do a light little buff, and this will add a little more grit to your nails, making the adhesion between the press-on nail and your nail bed a lot stronger. You definitely don't want to apply your press-ons on like a super smooth surface. You want like a little bit of texture, I guess. So next I'm going to make sure all the oils on my nail beds are removed using my pH bonder that I showed you guys earlier. I barely have anything left in here. I need to get another one. But I just do a little coat of that. And now we're finally ready to start gluing these little cuties on. I did make a full video on these really cute beaded bow nails. If you want to check that out, I'll have it linked up here as well as in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and take these off the stands, making sure that the backs of them are completely clear and free of any residue. I usually start with my pinky and then work my way towards my thumb, and I apply the glue on the nail tip as well as my nail bed. So I'm going to put a little bit on my nail bed. And then also some on the nail tip. About a 45-degree angle, and then I place it down and I push down, press down until I feel like it's secure. Oh my gosh, I already messed up on the very first nail. I got glue on top of the nail, but I'll be able to fix that at the end with some top coat. That looks so bad, but I promise I'll be able to fix it. I'm just going to continue on and applying the rest of the nails. Okay, this hand is on. I'm going to show you quickly how you can fix this situation. So first I'm just going to take a little cotton swab thing, and I'm using some alcohol just to make sure I can wipe away extra stickiness or whatever glue residue is on there. Now that I've cleaned that up, I'm just going to take my top coat. I'm using this one from Beetles. And I'm going to apply another thin layer of top coat on top. This is like a horrible angle to be painting, but that white residue is pretty much gone. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. And here are both set of nails on. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of cuticle oil to rehydrate my hands. I'm really just using some vitamin E oil right now because it's what I have on hand. But I just put that on my cuticles. We rub that in. And that is how I apply my press-on nails so that they actually last. Just a few tiny extra little steps to include before actually gluing them down will make all the difference. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you all in my next video.